Jacked up and good to go. You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go.
Move it!
Delighted to, sir!
It's go time!
Let's roll.
Yeah, I'm going.
Systems functional.
We have you on visual.
Let's go this way really, really fast. If something gets in our way, shoot it. First round's on me. Kaboom, baby! It's about to get heavy. Damn, I'm in a world of hurt. It's a trap.
Assistance required.
Navcom locked.
I think we may have a gas
What are
leak.
you on? You keep pushing it, boy, and I'll scrap you along with the aliens. Yeah?
This is your plan? This is crazy!
Cauterize the area.
Orders, sir!
Take no prisoners.
Absolutely! I'm about to drop the hammer, ready to roll out!
I dig.
Receiving headquarters.
Let's hurry up and finish this attack. It's late now. Take it slow.
I'm in a pickle.
Full attack, all weapons.
Checklist protocol initiated. Milsec E-209 on. Target designated. Checklist completed.
I like the cut of your chip.
We're going down. Stay with the ship, I'm out. Where's my escape pod?
What, you run out of Marines?
Are you gonna give me orders?
Don't leave me hanging.
I don't have time to f around.
Running level 1 diagnostic.
Since the VP is such a VIP, shall we keep the PC on the QT? Because if it links to the VC, he can end up MIA. Then we all be put on KP.
SOB.
Orders, sir!
What's with all these blinky lights?
What?
Nuclear launch detected.
What the hell?